Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tunasha and today I'm going to show you how to prepare an aloe vera oil for massive hair growth. If you're new here, do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like and comment down below after the video. Right, without wasting time, let's get straight into the video. So you're going to need your aloe vera leaf, and to start with, you're going to cut the base of the leaf off. In my previous videos, I actually mentioned the reason why we cut the base off, and the next step is to take your water and put your leaf in. If you watch my previous videos, you would know why I'll do this. And if you haven't yet watched those videos, please do go and watch them. Alright, so after 20 minutes of your leaves sitting in water, cut it in pieces. I'm just gonna cut this into pieces. Nothing goes to waste. Right. So again, cut off the sides. After that, I'm just gonna get like a bowl of water again and then just put my aloes in there. I start cutting them or slicing them into smaller pieces. So as you can see guys, I'm removing some of the outer layer of the leaf because I do not want my oil to be too concentrated, and so I'm just mixing everything up. So after that, we're just going to put our leaf into our pot or pan, whatever that you choose to use. It's really just okay. So based on your skin type, whether it's oily or dry skin, you're going to use olive oil or coconut oil. I choose to use olive oil because I have an acne prone skin, and olive oil has a comedogenic rating of 2, which doesn't really clog your skin pores, but coconut oil has a comedogenic rating of 4, which can actually clog your skin pores, causing acne breakout. So yeah, I'll teach about this comedogenic rating later on, maybe in my forthcoming videos. Well, pray for me. So because I'm not planning to make a large quantity of aloe vera oil, I'm just going to put a little bit of olive oil in my pot and put it on low heat and let it cook for a while until I cannot see any water left in my pot mixed with my oil. So as you can see, the water is increasing in my pot due to the extraction of aloe vera water from the leaf. So we are just gonna continue cooking that until we do not see any water left in the pot. Keep on stirring your oil, and when it turns pink, know that it's almost ready. Check if you see any trace of water left in your oil. If not, then you know that it's ready. Our oil is now ready, guys. As you see, you can't even see any trace of water in it. So now we'll have to separate the chunks from the oil. So our aloe vera oil is now ready. What you need to do now is sterilize your bottle or container with isopropyl alcohol just to get rid of the bacteria and fungi. So yeah, after that you can just, pour in your oil into your bottle and it's ready to use. So for some of you that do not know the uses of aloe vera oil promotes hair growth. I've actually been using it for a couple of years now and I've seen an improvement in my hair length. It also hydrates and moisturizes hair and it prevents itching and reduces dandruffs. You can also use aloe vera oil for your skin. It reduces dark spots and as well as scars, but it doesn't completely remove them. So I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video and I hope that you guys are going to make your own aloe vera oil now that I've shown you how to make one. And yeah, some people may experience an allergic reactions to aloe vera, so make sure that you do a patch test to make sure that your skin is not sensitive to aloe vera before you apply it to your skin. That's it from me. Ciao ciao.